Hi, I'm Janet. I am here for you, health coach. I'm in my kitchen right now getting ready for Thanksgiving. And I wanted to show you this. I have roasted a sugar pie pumpkin. And what you just cut it in half, take the seeds out, put it upside down on a pan with parchment paper. It couldn't be easier. Put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. You can see here I cut into it. When you go from the top down with the knife, it should just go through beautifully. So when you open it up, you can see it's all caramelized and beautiful. And I'm going to use that for my pumpkin pie. So I'm just going to take some of the threads off a little bit, not too much. I don't want to get rid of the filling. You can just use your hands and that peel will come off absolutely beautifully. Look at that. Then you just put it in your food processor. You could do it in a blender, but it might take a few times or be kind of thick. So I would use a food processor if you have them. This food processor I've had for 30 years since I got married. So it'll last you a long time. Give me a second, I'm gonna wash my hands. We're just gonna grate that up and it's gonna be done. 1 second. Then I put my top on it. Close it up. You may have to loosen it up, which is no big deal, a couple times to get it all to the consistency that you want. And then what I do from there is I add a can of sweetened condensed coconut milk. Now if you eat dairy and you like the sweetened condensed regular milk, go for it. This is a dairy-free option for my dairy-free friends, including me. So once it's ground to where you want it to be, add the can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 eggs, and then the pumpkin pie spices I have out. I'm going to put a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of ginger, just a pinch of cloves. They can be overpowering. I have fresh nutmeg that I'm going to grate in there. This is a nutmeg. And I have one that I've been working on. And I'm just going to grate him all up and put him in there. That's it. Pour it into your pie shell, and I'll have fresh pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving dinner. I hope this tip helps. If you have any questions, please leave me a message. I return all of them, and I love getting them. Hope you have a wonderful holiday season and happy Thanksgiving.